What is up guys, Plan of the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Zoho Books. So first you need to head over to your Zoho Books website by just typing books.zoho.eu. And after that, you can just log in or sign up with your account, email and password. And after that, when you're redirected to the homepage here, when you click on this plus icon, you can click create. Means you can just add some users if you want to. You can add items to your Zoho Books journal, or you can add some journal entry. You can add the log line. You can add the weekly log, the inventory adjustments, and here as you can see there are multiple things that you can create and add. Here you also have the bank transfer, card payment and other income. You can add them too, and after that you can add your organization details like the tax details, the address, the first invoice and the bill, the expenses. And after that, here on the right side you can see the announcement webinars that you want to keep in your office or in your organization. And after that, here this is the Zoho notebook and all the extensions that you will require in the Zoho Marketplace. You can search them. When you click on go to Zoho Marketplace, here in the new tab, the Zoho Marketplace will open, wherein you can see multiple extensions. So you can just simply download and install them and integrate them according to your vision requirements. Here on the left side, you can see the items. You can see all the items that you have listed in your Zoho Books, the sales, the purchases, the time tracking, banking, accountant reports and documents. And that was all. This was a mini setup video for you to get your Zoho Book account started and set up. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.